In this video, we are going to see how we can change the Windows 11 language completely to your preferred language in just a few steps. What you can do is just go to the Start menu and right here Settings. Go to Settings. On the left hand side, we see Accounts. Click on that. And then on the right hand side, we see Windows Backup. Click on that. And here you will see Remember My Preferences. Just make sure to turn this on and click on the drop down. Click on the Language Preferences and Dictionary and make sure to uncheck that. After that, we click on the time and language on our left. Click on Language and Region. Click on Add Language. And let's say whatever is our language. Let's suppose it's Japanese. Click on that. Click Next. And make sure to check all the options and click on Install. It will take some time to download the complete language. So just wait. Alright guys, so this language is taking too much time. So let me just remove this and let me add another language that is already there probably. Let's say Arabic. Click Next. And it will only take 1 MB or so to install this. So I hope this will be installed soon. Okay, again, it is taking a lot of time. So what you do after that, whatever language you have downloaded, you just click on Windows Display Language and choose that language here. And then also scroll down in the related settings, click on copy current users to welcome screen and system accounts, or copy current user settings to the new user accounts. So click on copy here. And after that, you need to restart your computer in order to make this language effective. And then you will notice that your main screen along with the complete language inside will be changed to your desired language. So this involves the menu, the start menus, and all the logos, date, and everything will be changed to that language. And that's pretty much it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.